How to send a one-time photo on Snapchat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send a photo that disappears after a short time on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your Android device and tap the camera button to take a photo, or swipe up to select one from your gallery. After that, once your photo is ready, look for the timer icon at the bottom left of the screen. From there, tap on it to open the timer options. At this point, you will see different duration options. If you want the photo to disappear quickly, select anything under 5 seconds or exactly 5 seconds. In the next step, make sure you do not select infinity, as that will allow the recipient to view the photo for as long as they want without it disappearing. Following this, once you have selected your preferred timer, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. Once done, select the friend or friends you want to send the photo to. Finally, tap Send, and the photo will be delivered. Once the recipient opens it, the timer will start counting down immediately, and the photo will disappear as soon as the time runs out. And that's it. If this Snapchat guide helped you send a disappearing photo, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.